Hollywood starlet Angelina Jolie was at the premiere of zombie thriller World War Z, her first public appearance since announcing last month that she had undergone a double mastectomy. The star, who has 6 children, arrived at the world premiere of the big-budget film, which stars Jolie's husband Brad Pitt as a United Nations employee battling to save the world from a zombie apocalypse. Jolie told reporters she felt great and had been very happy to see the discussion of women's health expanded by her announcement.
I've been very happy just to see the discussion about women's health expanded, and that means the world to me. And after losing my mom to these issues, I'm very grateful for it, and I've been very moved by the kind of support from people. Really very grateful for it.
Pitt said he was proud of Jolie for taking the decision to have a double mastectomy.
I mean, this is the woman I've always known, and I have such respect for her when she's faced with a problem, and we've known this was coming for some time. She takes it by the horns, she learns her options, and she makes her decision of what's best for her. And the fact that she would not be frightened of this, what she'd have to go through to do this, to take this specter away from our family and ensure that she'd be there longer for our family and my kids, and I wouldn't have to ever, certainly because of this, explain why they couldn't see their mom anymore. I get very emotional.
The big blockbuster World War Z opens in theaters on June 21st in the UK and North America.